Hi there. Finding the 5 best kettlebell sets for home gym reviews worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Bowflex SelectTech Kettlebell. Amassing the best garage gym equipment quickly starts to take up a lot of space. One way to save room is with an adjustable kettlebell like the SelectTech 840 from Bowflex. This isn't the only adjustable bell out there, but it's one of the most affordable. Bowflex applied some of the same technology as used for its 552 adjustable dumbbell and applied it here. You essentially get 6 kettlebells in one here, because you can adjust the weight by turning the dial on the top of the bell. The weight ranges from just 8 to 40 pounds, however. Keep in mind that by many standards, women swing with about 35 pounds and men with about 53 pounds. Still, this can get the job done and give you a good workout, depending on how you intend to use it. The weight plates inside do rattle a little while you exercise, which can be unnerving, but I didn't have any issues with plates falling out or coming loose. Number 2. Our second best pick is Amazon Basics Cast Iron Kettlebell. If you just want a bell to swing in your home gym, and you aren't particular about much else, the Amazon Basics Cast Iron Kettlebell might be a good fit. At first glance, the pricing isn't that far off the rogue pricing. However, keep in mind that with Amazon, you get free shipping as a Prime member as well as free returns. I like that the Amazon kettlebell is cast iron because that is more durable than other materials. However, the painted enamel coating could be susceptible to rust or corrosion. This isn't a bell you should leave outside or in a humid garage. Also, enamel coatings can make for a slippery grip on certain exercises. This is a no-frills kettlebell that only comes in pound measurements and is solid black. Reviewers who are just looking for a good sweat at home have found it useful. If you want a better quality bell, you'll have to pay more from a bigger brand. But if all you need is something affordable, this could be a good fit. Number 3. Our third best pick is KETTLE GRYP Dumbbells. The original KETTLE GRYP isn't a classic kettlebell. Instead, it's an adapter that lets you use any dumbbell like a kettlebell. The adapter is crafted from impact-resistant ABS plastic, and since it's lightweight, we love that you can easily toss it in your bag to take on the go. During our lab test, we found it was easy to set up and get started, earning it a perfect score of 5 out of 5 for ease of setup and a 4.5 for ease of use. The KETTLE GRYP's handle was smooth and comfortable to hold, although it did get slippery during our sweat test. We were also impressed with the product's sturdiness, rating it a 5 out of 5 for its durability. If you already own a dumbbell set, the KETTLE GRYP is a budget-friendly option for expanding your home workouts without the need to actually purchase a set of traditional kettlebells. Just be sure to measure the dumbbell's handle, since it needs to be less than 1.5 inches thick to be compatible with this adapter. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Bionic Body Soft Kettlebell. If you want to protect your floors and yourself, the soft kettlebell with handle from Bionic Body is an option. The leather bag and weighted filling are much softer than traditional metal kettlebells. The large handle fits both hands for swings. It's smoother than most handles we've tried, so there's a greater risk of slipping. A bit of tape on the handle will solve this without issue. The softer body is great for working out on hardwood floors, as the bottom won't scratch it when you set it down or drop it. It's also much safer for working on tile or concrete floors, since dropping it won't chip or crack surfaces. Also, the soft body feels great against the forearms on overhead movements. We've seen reports of the delivered weight being off by 2 or 3 pounds, and the leather definitely shows we're more than cast iron. But if you want a kettlebell that will keep damage to yourself and your home to a minimum, this is a great bell for you. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is powder-coated kettlebell. Meissner personally uses Kettlebell Kings. It's a brand that I've used for years, I trust their kettlebells and I like their products. They always have free shipping on all their items and they have a lifetime warranty on their kettlebells, he notes. They are on a bit of a pricier side for most people, but they last forever. Lou agrees that the finer details makes products like the Kettlebell King superior. Powder-coated finishes are more durable and usually have a smooth, matte feel, so the grip is more comfortable, she says. My advice is, if you sweat a lot, consider getting a powder one. The Kettlebell King's powder coat kettlebells also have a nice flat base to prevent rolling or tipping, smooth handles to prevent chafing and irritation, and are gravity cast, which ensure the precise weight and distribution and prevents chipping over time. You can buy them in weights ranging from 10 to 65 pounds in 5-pound increments, enabling you to get the right weight for your needs. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.